Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous videos, we tested the Tabscan T6 Pro Max on Mercedes, BMW, and Porsche. Today, we continue with another important platform, the VAG Group, specifically connecting to the Odis software on an Audi vehicle. What's special here is that the T6 Pro Max doesn't only work with Audi. With the same device and the same Odis software, you can switch to diagnosing Volkswagen, Seat, Škoda, Bentley, Lamborghini, Bugatti, or even M8, covering the entire VAG Group lineup. Now let's start with the hardware connection. Plug the T6 Pro Max's VCI connector into the OBD2 port on the Audi vehicle, making sure the ignition is switched to on to provide a stable power supply to the device. On the desktop, we select the Audi Odis 25.3 icon and launch the official diagnostic software. Once the software starts, Odis automatically reads the vehicle's VIN and displays the real-time battery voltage here, 1394V. This shows the T6 Pro Max is communicating stably with the Audi's electrical system. Odis automatically identifies the exact vehicle information, Audi Q5, model year 2021, SUV version, 2 TFSI, 185 kilowatts engine. We confirm the information and proceed. At the next step, we don't need to create a repair order, so we select No RO to go directly into vehicle diagnosis. Odis now starts scanning all the control modules on the vehicle. As you can see, the list goes up to 93 modules, including engine electronics, transmission electronics, battery management, electric drive, shift lever, and many other systems, all accurately identified. Next, we switch to the Procedure tab to use Guided Fault, finding a step-by-step diagnostic function that follows the manufacturer's exact procedure. Here, the system notes that the vehicle is equipped with a 12V mild hybrid system and guides us through the next inspection steps. We continue navigating through the guided modules, such as main, program start module, and radiator shutter, with detailed technical notes at every step, exactly matching the professional diagnostic procedure used in official Audi service workshops. So, we've seen the Tabscan T6 Pro Max successfully and stably connect to the Odis software on an Audi vehicle, from automatic VIN recognition, live voltage reading, scanning all 93 modules, to using guided fault finding. And remember, this same device can be applied across the entire VAG Group lineup. In the next video, we'll continue testing on other vehicle brands. If you're working with vehicle diagnostics or programming, make sure to follow our channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching.